Hi, scholars. Today I'm going to teach you how to summarize a passage using the hot W's. As close readers, we know we're going to closely examine the text. Let's get started with our first read. We are thankful to our mother, the earth, for she gives us all that we need for life. She supports our feet as we walk upon her. It gives us joy that she continues to care for us as she has from the beginning of time. To our mother, we send our greetings and our thanks. Now our minds are one. Now, scholars, I am going to go back in for my second read. And as I go back in for my second read, I'm trying to find out who the passage is about. I'm going to start at the beginning. It says, "We are all thankful to our mother." So I think that the paragraph is about this we. And when I hear this we, I know that it's referring to the Haudenosaunee. So I'm going to write right here where it says, who is the paragraph about? I'm going to write the Haudenosaunee. I want to change that color, scholars. I'm going to make that. Now, scholars, I'm going to read to find out what's happening with the Haudenosaunee. So I'm going to go back in. We are all thankful to our mother, the earth, for she gives us all that we need for life. She supports our feet as we walk upon her. It gives us joy that she continues to care for us as she has from the beginning of time. To our mother, we send our greetings and our thanks. So that's what's happening with the Haudenosaunee. The Haudenosaunee are sending their greetings and their thanks. Now I'm going to write that in a section where it says what's happening with the Haudenosaunee. Sending greetings and thanks. Now I'm going to look at my final hot W, and that is why. So now, scholars, I'm going to try to find out why the Haudenosaunee are sending greetings and thanks. I'm going to go back in for a third read. We are all thankful to our mother, the earth, for she gives us all that we need for life. She supports our feet as we walk upon her. Scholars, I think I found why they're giving thanks and sending greetings to Mother Earth. So now I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to write in my own words, scholars. I don't want to write everything that's in the text. So why are they giving thanks? The earth provides for and supports the Haudenosaunee. And scholars, I'm just going to make this black if I can so we can see it a little bit more clear. Okay, let's see what I have here. Who is the passage about? The Haudenosaunee. What's happening with the Haudenosaunee? They're sending greetings and thanks. You know what, scholars? I want to go back in there and I want to say sending greetings and thanks to the earth because that was what was going on in the passage. They were sending greetings and thanks to the earth. And that's one great thing about closed reading, scholars. Sometimes you see things that you did not see before. And why are they sending those greetings and thanks to the earth? That's because the earth provides for and supports the Haudenosaunee. Now, scholars, I'm going to work to show you how to use everything that we wrote down because these are our little notes and how to turn that into a proper summary. Now, scholars, since I have these notes, I'm now going to model how to turn this into a summary. So I'm going to write my who first. I know that my who is a Haudenosaunee. Now I'm going to write what they do. And here it says sending greetings and thanks to the earth. I'm going to change it up. I'm going to say the Haudenosaunee send greetings and thanks to the earth. And then I'm going to go take part of the why for supporting them. So this is my summary. I use part of who is about. We said that's a Haudenosaunee. I used what was happening, that they were sending greetings and thanks. And I said the Haudenosaunee send greetings and thanks. And then I used part of my why. I explain why they're sending thanks, and that's for supporting them. So this is my summary of the entire passage. The Haudenosaunee send greeting and thanks to the earth for supporting them. Thank you, scholars.